Guys, so NMAT cutoff is out. So finally, those who have got the call or those expecting the call on this course, congratulations, all the best. And we are launching our VAT PI GDPI program as well. In the description box, I given the link for the free Telegram group where we are conducting the GDPI workshops every day. So please join that group in case you want to participate in the GDPI. Alright guys, we have NMAT ka cutoff out in front of us. So we have this cutoff here. So this is very similar to what I thought, but yeah, thoda सा उन्होंने up down किया है. For the main MBA program 76, 76, 76. I was expecting 75, 75, 75, but 70, 76 and total 235. My expectation was around 240, but cutoff is 235, which is a good news. But section wise उन्होंने लगा दिया यार 76 तीनों में लाना, there might be a problem. So if any one of you who have not cleared any one of the cutoff, you will not get the call. You have to clear all the 4 cutoff for the main MBA program. Yeah, 76, 76, 76, 235. Yeah, for Bangalore, 73, 73, 73 and 230 is going to be the cutoff. Is the cutoff this year going to be a hair cutoff. MBA Business Analytics, that's the third program they have done, and beautifully they have mentioned all of them as per the rank also. So this is the rank also which we can assume ranking of all the colleges of NMIMS. 60, 60, 60, 210. Then digital transformation 60, 60, 60, 210. Yeah, see, jidhar cutoff kam hai na, there have to be a reason for that also. Iska matlab that program is not that great. HR 76, 76, 235. Yeah, I am Indore to 55, 55, 55. Oh, sorry, MBA Indore campus, NMIMS Indore campus, 200 cutoff. Hyderabad campus 200 cutoff, Navi Mumbai campus 230 cutoff. Now the Navi Mumbai campus cutoff is high. So now this is the cutoff scenario in front of you. If you are not getting this number in even in one place, you are not going to get the call. Simple. Now if you want me to rank them, of course MBA program is number 1, the main program, HR and Navi Mumbai. These 3 are the top 3 courses which are going. Then come the Bangalore, number 4. So Navi Mumbai campus have overtaken the Bangalore campus. Maybe because the Mumbai advantage, you are feeling that is there. Followed by Business Analytics, number 5 program. Digital Transformation, number 6. Indore, number 7. And Hyderabad, number 8. So this would be my ranking of all the NMAT courses. Yeah. So main MBA program, number 1 rank. Bangalore number 2, I am ranking still Bangalore higher than because Bangalore is the older campus. Then Navi Mumbai 3rd. Yeah, followed by human resources. In case you are interested in human resources, those who applied for human resources. Followed by business transformation and business analytics, digital transformation rank 5th, and Indore and Hyderabad rank 6. So this will be the ranking of all the campuses. Yeah, so those who have got the call, great. We are starting our GDPI program. You can join our GDPI program because they're going to be a case study PI normally. But this time they have to be a trend will be changed. So we have to look and wait and watch for that. What they are going to have, what process they're going to follow, we'll see. But written test ka weightage is important, no doubt. But anyone who have scored 235, who have cleared this cutoff, have an equal chance to convert. Yeah, see, couple of years ago, they were able to give us kiska kitna mein convert kiya, score pe convert kiya. In that case, last to last year, there were many students who have converted at 219, 210, which is kind of a dead end score. So those who are at 235 to 240, see, anyone with 250 plus score is a very safe score, no doubt. But ऐसा नहीं कि 235 वाले का convert नहीं होगा. You have an equal chance to convert. Alright, so in the description box I given the link for the VAT PI. We are launching our VAT PI program. You can just join that link, Telegram link, and we'll be starting with our GDPI sessions. Alright, all the best.